Hot sauce is a beloved condiment that has been around for centuries. It is a perfect addition to any dish that needs a little bit of heat or flavor. While many people know the basics of hot sauce, not everyone is aware of how it is made. In this article, we will explore the intricate process of making hot sauce. The main ingredient in hot sauce is chili peppers. These peppers are grown in different parts of the world and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and heat levels. Once the peppers are harvested, they are typically left to dry in the sun or in a dehydrator to remove any excess moisture. The dried peppers are then ground up into a powder or puree that will become the base for the hot sauce. After the chili peppers are prepared, other ingredients are added to create the desired flavor and heat level. These can include vinegar, salt, sugar, garlic, and other spices. The ingredients are mixed together in a large pot and heated until they reach the desired consistency. Once the hot sauce is fully cooked, it is then bottled and labeled. The bottling process can vary depending on the manufacturer. Some use automated machinery to fill and label the bottles, while others may do it by hand. The process of making hot sauce is not as simple as just mixing a few ingredients together. It requires a lot of time and attention to detail. The right balance of ingredients is essential to create a hot sauce that is not only flavorful but also has the right amount of heat. One of the key components of hot sauce is the chili pepper. The heat level of a pepper is measured in Scoville units. The higher the Scoville rating, the hotter the pepper. Some of the hottest peppers in the world include the Carolina Reaper, Trinidad Moruga Scorpion, and the Boot Jalakia, also known as the ghost pepper. The heat level of a hot sauce can be adjusted by adding or subtracting ingredients. For example, adding more sugar can help to balance out the heat of the peppers. Conversely, adding more vinegar can help to amplify the heat. Hot sauce is a versatile condiment that can be used in a variety of ways. It can be added to soups, stews, and chili to give them a little bit of heat. It can also be used as a marinade for meat or as a dipping sauce for fries, chicken wings, and other snacks. The popularity of hot sauce has grown significantly in recent years. It is now a staple in many households and restaurants around the world. There are also many different types of hot sauce available, each with its own unique flavor and heat level. While hot sauce is a beloved condiment, it is not without its controversies. Some people argue that it is too spicy and can cause digestive issues. Others argue that it is unhealthy due to the high levels of salt and sugar found in many commercial brands. Despite these concerns, hot sauce remains a beloved condiment that is enjoyed by millions of people around the world. Its versatility and ability to add flavor and heat to any dish make it a staple in many households and restaurants. In conclusion, hot sauce is a complex condiment that requires a lot of time and attention to detail to make. The chili peppers, vinegar, and other ingredients must be carefully balanced to create a flavorful and spicy sauce. While it may not be for everyone, hot sauce remains a beloved condiment that is here to stay. So next time you reach for the bottle of hot sauce, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that went into making it.